Welcome to this week's NC Transportation Now. I'm Steve Abbott, filling in for Crystal Feldman. Two major intermodal projects are coming to North Carolina. They are a key aspect of the governor's 25-year vision for transportation, as they'll help improve freight movement throughout the state. On Tuesday, Governor McCrory announced that CSX will open a new intermodal terminal in Edgecombe County. Known as the Carolina Connector, this critical infrastructure project will bring jobs and economic opportunity to eastern North Carolina and position the state as a leader in enhanced freight movement. Intermodal terminals combine at least two modes of transportation, such as trains, trucks, and ships, to deliver goods. The terminal will transfer containerized cargo between trains and trucks, processing more than 260,000 containers per year. Initially, the hub will directly employ 149 workers, and estimates indicate its operations will create 1,500 jobs throughout North Carolina.
This means 1,500 new jobs for North Carolina throughout the state. 1,500 new jobs. This is a game changer. This is a game-changing announcement of a major new logistics and transportation facility which will help connect not only eastern North Carolina with the rest of the state, but connect North Carolina with the rest of the nation.
CSX will invest $160 million for the project. NCDOT will contribute $100 million for track improvements as well as terminal infrastructure through the state's new transportation funding formula, which Governor McCrory championed to take the politics out of transportation planning. The hub is expected to open in 2020, and related track improvements are expected to take 2 years to construct once all necessary environmental permits are obtained. Carolina's Gateway Partnership, the local economic development organization, controls nearly all of the land needed for the facility, which is located along CSX's main rail line in a primarily industrial area. Many partners work together to make this project a reality, including North Carolina's Commerce, Transportation, and Revenue departments, as well as the Economic Development Partnership of North Carolina, Edgecombe County, the Carolinas Gateway Partnership, and North Carolina Wesleyan College. Also on Tuesday, the governor announced the debut of the new Queen City Express, an intermodal rail service between the state Port of Wilmington and CSX's intermodal terminal in Charlotte. CSX will also eventually provide direct access from the Port of Wilmington to the Carolina Connector intermodal terminal in Edgecombe County. The Carolina Connector, along with the Queen City Express, will lower transportation costs for businesses while taking trucks off the road. Since one intermodal train can eliminate as many as 280 trucks from the highway, transporting goods by rail will help reduce congestion and wear and tear on the state's highways. Additionally, it'll improve safety and air quality.
We can deliver efficiently on the promise of transportation. CSX now has given us the possibility of selling to Charlotte and points west the ability to take advantage of that efficiency.
To further expand the port's capabilities, the State Ports Authority is moving forward with a $100 million investment in infrastructure improvements, including new cranes, an enhanced berth, and wider turning basin, with further expansion on the way. The state budget signed by Governor McCrory includes $70 million over 2 years for modernization of the state ports. The Port of Wilmington continues to see growth in containers and infrastructure, and earlier this month it welcomed its largest ever container ship to Baltimore. That's all for this edition of NC Transportation Now. As always, stay connected to us through Facebook and Twitter at NCDOT. For all of us at the Department of Transportation, safe travels.